8B. Today I am explaining about energy from the sun. What is meant by solar energy and sun rays? Solar energy means solar energy in a renewable energy obtained by the use of electromagnetic radiation from the sun. It is possible to transform it into thermal or electric energy. This is known as solar energy. And in the sun of principle in the source of energy on earth's surface, it is like a powerful which generates gives an energy in the form of light and heat. This energy, which is constantly emitted by the sun, is known as solar radiation. When a body gives out energy, it is called radiation. So, the solar radiation received on Earth's surface of the Earth is called insolation. The actual amount of solar energy received on Earth ground levels in only small motion of what reaches on Earth atmosphere. This is because of one of the third solar energy in a reflected back like a mirror reflecting light by the Earth atmosphere. And coming to the greenhouse. What do you mean by greenhouse? Yes, interestingly, humans have tried to grow crops everywhere by creating artificial environment for plants. This we can grow vegetables and fruits in very cool regions by building greenhouses. These houses are made with transparent roots and wall which allows heat and comes in but are not escape. We create a mushy environment for crops like paddy by irrigating the fields. This is known as greenhouse. Sun rays and Earth's surface. You see a picture. Due to this curved nature of Earth's surface, the same amount of solar energy falls on smaller area on equator, on larger areas are moving north or south of it. These will get a warmer and equator near to the poles. You can see this while the sun rays fall at above 90 degrees of equator. They fall slightly towards the poles. This is called angle of incidence. See, this is the picture of angle of incidence. Heat balance. The heat that Earth receives from a sun is radiated back by the Earth different ways. As you have seen, about the third of the immediately reflected back into the space. The rest heat upon the surface on Earth, which is turns into heat and atmosphere, evenly radiate into the space. This complete radiation of Earth heat received from Earth is important. If entire heat is not radiated back, then a very day is amount of heat that remains will be accumulate and it become hotter and hotter. On the other hand, if your Earth is received less heat, then it gives out of radiation, it get cooler and cooler. Some gases like carbon dioxide prevent radiation of the heat from Earth. Carbon dioxide is the atmosphere increase due to the increaseness of diesels and petrol cutting down the forest, etc. If a carbon dioxide proportion is atmosphere increase or less heat will be radiate causing an increase in global warming. This result is what is known as global warming.